Have you ever been frustrated with how messy material graphs get? Nodes all over the place, wires branching and crisscrossing over each other? Well, there is finally a solution for that. Introduced in Unreal Engine 4.27 and Unreal Engine 5, there's a new feature called Named Reroutes. This is essentially two node portals that can make your graphs go from this to this. That's quite the difference. And to make a named reroute is actually quite simple. If you already have a regular reroute node, right-click it and select Convert to Named Reroute. Alternatively, you can drag from the input-output pins and type Named Reroute into the action menu. The named reroute consists of two nodes. The node with the two pins is the primary node. Whatever is connected to its input is passed through to its own output, as well as the output of the secondary node. Lastly, these nodes can be fetched from the action menu. Use this newfound feature well to simplify and clean up your materials. This has been the Unreal Directive. Make sure you like, subscribe, and check out unrealdirective.com for more high-quality resources. See you next time.